Welcome back to the Cali G Kitchen, and welcome to day 98 of your 101 day food and fasting program. Today we're doing something very simple. We're going to do a salad, super salad, which means we're just basically using up any ingredients that we've got left over throughout the week. I've got some salmon that's been in the air fryer for 12 minutes. I believe that's got jerk seasoning on it. With that, it should be done. We're just going to layer up our salad, chop up some of these vegetables. I've got a couple of eggs here that's been poaching and they look just about done, so we're going to turn those off now. But yes, with that being said, we're going to make a start. We're going to fill our nice big salad bowl up with this bistro salad. I'm actually going to use the full bag. Kind of give that a good mix up. Okay. Got some tomatoes here. There's a few different varieties in this little tray. I'm just going to chop these into little quarters. Some baby plum tomatoes here. I'm just going to chop these again in halves and in quarters and just lay them around the bowl. Some white cabbage here. I'm just going to chop off a little wedge of this. Good. I'm going to take half of this red pepper. Same with this, just layer this around the bowl. Got some celery here. I'm actually going to just use one stick of celery. Got a spring onion here, so I'm just going to remove the outer skin and these little wilted bits. Take the bottom off of that. Same with the spring onion. We've also got some of our noodles that we had that we cooked the other day, so we took a portion of these out. Spicy noodles, spicy. There's some broccoli, there's some onions, various different spices that we used. What else have we got on the go? I'm going to mix this all up in a second. This will look a little bit nicer. I've also got, I'm literally using up everything, trust me. So this is the cashew nut curry that we done yesterday. And actually, hold on a second. Hold on just a second. Give this all a good mix. And then we're going to layer up our proteins around the bowl. That's all a bit better. some of our cashew nut curry, going in with a few pieces of this falafel. We've got a tin of mixed beans here. Just going to drain the water off. We're going to use probably around a quarter of the tin of these. What else do we have on the go? We've got our eggs, 2 poached eggs. And what else have we got? What else have we got? We've got our salmon. That's what we've got. Lovely stuff. Got 2 perfectly cooked pieces of salmon here as well. And then for our dressing, I've got some pesto here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to not fill it up, but I'm going to pour some olive oil into this. And what else? I'm going to get some spice on the go, so I want some hot sauce. Just a tiny touch of this hot sauce. And then I'm going to pop the lid on. Give this a good shake. Should need a bit more olive oil in there. Actually nearly forgot. Got a little block of cheese here. We're not going to be room for anything else. Okay. I'm just going to go over the top with this spicy pesto dressing. And as per usual, we've made a right mess. Some salt and pepper, and we're done. And there you have it. Baked falafel, mixed beans, salmon, eggs, we've got all sorts going on there. It's basically a Super Sunday salad. That's what I'm going to call it. Hope you all enjoy, and we'll see you again next time in the Cali G Kitchen. Goodbye for now.